The mole fraction of glucose, whose molecular formula is C6H12O6 in an aqueous solution, is 0.1. The mass percentage of water in it to the nearest integer is what we need to find in this question. So we know that the X for glucose is 0.1. So we now can find the mass percentage of glucose. From this formula, you can see we get 1800 upon 18 plus 6.2. If we follow the BODMAS rule, we get 52.63%, which can be rounded up to 53%. And in order to find the mass percentage of H2O, we need to subtract this from 100, which we get 47%. Therefore, the answer is 47%.